Welcome, guys. This is Talon Wallet. Share the stream, guys. This is only goddamn Talon Wallet. Click like, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Thanks for waiting, guys. We just got another 5 minutes to go and we'll get started with the Talon presentation.
Won't you stay with me? Won't you stay with me? Won't you stay with me? Run away with me. Won't you stay with me? 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 Run away with me. Won't you stay with me? Won't you stay with me? Won't you stay with me?
Hello, everybody. My name's Paul Mills from Talon Core, and here we have Mancini, who's also from Talon Core. It's an absolute pleasure to be here on this momentous occasion to bring you the promised presentation of the Talon Wallet. What I think we're going to do is, firstly, we're going to run through what Talon Wallet is, if you don't already know. What it is, we're going to then show you how Talon Wallet works and where we are in terms of development, and also some really cool features that Talon has, and also the speed of Talon as well, which is absolutely incredible. Once we've done that, we are then going to talk about the future of Talon and where we're headed in terms of development and what you should expect moving forward. And then when we've done that, we have some airdrops to do. And what we're going to do is we're going to select 20 people from the X that have give us their wallet addresses, both on the RTMX and the Osmium X. And we're going to send the first ever transactions to you all from the Osmium, from the Talon Wallet, live here on YouTube. If you've not already clicked like on this stream, please do right now. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. We want as many people to know about Talon Wallet as possible. And if you're not already subscribed, please click subscribe. Also, you need to be subscribed to make a comment in the YouTube channel as well. You're more than welcome to comment in the Osmium channel at their Discord, and also in the stream party chat at the Raptorium Discord as well. The stream party chat does appear on the stream at the bottom left currently, so your comment will appear on there. So I think we'll get started with what Talon Wallet is and why is it cool. So I'll pass this over to Mancini. Mancini, good to have you with us.
Good evening or good morning, depending on your time zone. It's good evening for me. I'm Mancini. I'm really thrilled to be here tonight. This is a day I've been waiting for quite a long time, and I can't wait to show you guys what we've been working on. But for those of you that don't know about Talon Wallet, let me briefly talk about what it is, and why it even exists. Talon Wallet is a self-custodial, multi-platform, multi-coin crypto wallet that at first sight is very similar to some of the wallets that are already out there, like Exodus or MetaMask or some of the other ones that exist. But Talon Wallet is created for the sole purpose of having UTXO chains as the primary objective of the project. Yeah, like most of the wallets out there, they revolve around smart contracts based on EVM, and we wanted to show the world that UTXO chains rock and give UTXO chains room to show the world that you can do true DeFi on UTXO, and this is what we plan to achieve with Talon Wallet. It has a lot of features already, and we have even more features planned going forward. So I'm not going to talk about the stuff that's in the wallet right now, because you're going to see that in the live demo very shortly. But what I want to talk to you about is, or what I want to tell you about, is that Talon Wallet has been developed for over the past year. We started talking about something like a UTXO based wallet in late summer of last year with Paul and some other people. and we basically set out to create what we want to show you in a few minutes. So I don't know, Paul. Do you want to add something more before we show our viewers what Talon Wallet is
I
all
think
about?
I think the main point to make is ever since UTXO started, there's been a gap in the whole blockchain ecosystem in terms of a UTXO wallet that everyone can use and are familiar with, and this is because of the way the UTXO blockchains operate. So it's not they're not usually built for operating in the DeFi way that you would normally familiar with on, say, EVM chains and things like that. And because of that, it was really holding UTXO back. So we decided we really wanted to solve that problem that no one has done as to this day, as of yet, until we started doing it, and also do it quickly, because UTXO has a reputation for being, lengthy in operability and confirmation. So when we learnt that Raptorium was building its assets layer, we wanted to further the way that UTXO DeFi could actually be accessible to the masses in a way that is near enough instant gratification for any action that you make. So by building the wallet that we've done, we've not only met the expectations for all the people that are currently familiar with browser wallets or mobile wallets, but we've also solved some of the blockchain problems in UTXO for delivering that in that familiar way. So I think what we'll do now is we'll go over to Mancini's wallet, and we will start the presentation. So yeah. Okay then, Mancini, let's have a look.
Okay, so
So what you can see here is the Talon
Currently
Wallet website placeholder at talon.is.
Why is it called Talon.is, Mancini?
Because Talon is bloody awesome. Yeah, we wanted to use the is for various marketing phrases and for various slogans, and I think it works pretty well because Talon is great and Talon is badass and Talon is the only wallet that you will ever need.
I think on this video I'm just going to ask the questions and pretend I don't actually know the answers to them, because I think people are going to be asking the same questions. So I'll try my best to be clueless, and yeah. All right.
Do your worst or best. be clueless. Be a goldfish.
And for those that don't know, what is a Talon, Mancini? What is a Talon?
Well, Talon. You can see a Talon in the logo. The orange thing that you see before you is a Talon, and that's what birds of prey have for claws. Yeah, that's what they use for hunting. Yeah, so talons, and you can use Talon to hunt crypto.
To claw in those coins.
Exactly, claw in those coins and keep them safe.
And the branding by Zlata is absolutely epic. As you can see, the logo is really nice. It's simple, and it's really striking. So fair play to Zlata.
Yeah, Zlata's done a fabulous job. It's been a pleasure working with her again, and I think that you'll agree with us when you see the wallet in action, that the design is clean, it's crisp, it's very likable, it's very pleasing to the eye, and I'm even though I've seen the UI for literally hundreds and hundreds of hours already, I still like it. So without further ado, what you can see here, I have a little icon here in my browser. So let's try and click on that. And this is Talon Wallet. So let's start. So what we can do on the intro page, obviously, is we can create a new wallet, or we can import a wallet from a mnemonic phrase. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a fresh wallet. So now Talon is asking us to create a new password, which cannot be too short. It probably shouldn't be as weak, but let's keep it that way for the demo.
Make sure you use a difficult password, guys.
Yeah, please use difficult passwords, yeah, because with this password you have access to the entire wallet. If you use a crappy password, you don't protect your crypto, and nobody will be able to recover this password for you if you lose it. So you have to save the mnemonic, which is here, which you can copy to your clipboard. You can take a look at, you can write it down, you can memorize it. I prefer to write it down. So what we need to do now, we need to persuade Talon Wallet that we've actually written this down somewhere. Otherwise, we will not be able to create a new wallet. You can, of course, check that you had, in fact, written the words correctly without any typos.
And it'll only let you press next if the words are correct, yes?
Yes, exactly. It will not allow you to go forward if you have a typo in there. I'm not going to press back because that would just reset the mnemonic and we would have to start all over again, but that's absolutely correct. Okay, so we are now on a screen where you will be able to select the coins that you will want to be using for your transactions. So right now we only have 2 coins implemented, which is Osmium and Raptorium, but expect to see many more coins being added in the future. What you can do here is, if the list is very long, you can use a search prompt to actually look for the coins that you want to find, and you can either use the name of the coin or you can use the ticker. So whatever you know or you can remember, you can use, or you can just click on the individual coins as well.
So what coins should people expect there in the future? I know that Talon is primarily a UTXO, I don't know, what's the word? Best place for UTXO, yeah? So what should people expect there?
Well, except for UTXO, as you've mentioned, which are coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Dogecoin, and some others, we definitely want to add other types of chains. The first chain besides the UTXO paradigm that comes to mind has to be EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible coins, because we definitely want to add a stable coin to Talon Wallet, just because it's really practical and most people use coins like Tether or USDT. So we definitely want that in Talon Wallet.
So what's Tether going to bring to Talon Wallet in terms of utility?
Well, besides the obvious thing, just having a stable coin in the wallet, I think, is a must-have. But of course, what we want to add to Talon Wallet in the future is the ability to do swaps in real time. So you will be able to exchange one coin for another, which is very handy if you want to, I don't know, let's say the market moves up and you want to be safe and change your coins into stable coins, and you can do that right from Talon Wallet, and vice versa. If you feel that the market's going to move up. You can do swaps in the Talon Wallet. You don't need to leave for an exchange. You don't need to move your coins to a DEX or a SEX. SEX, that still sounds weird. But you know what I mean, CEX.
Yeah.
So this is definitely something that we need to add. And I know that some people don't like Ethereum and some people do, but I think that everybody can understand that having more chains in Talon Wallet is a good thing. So that's something that we're going to be working on.
When we say Ethereum, it doesn't actually have to be Ethereum. It's just EVM based. So it could be Ethereum, BSC, it could be Polygon, anything like that.
Loads of stuff.
Yep.
So we have the coins selected, and now it's time to create our wallet, which is what we did right now. And this is the initial portfolio page that we have created for Talon Wallet. We're going to build on this, and we're going to make it a little more complex, a little more fancy. But right now, it shows you the individual coins that you have in Talon Wallet and your balances, which are, of course, 0 because it's a fresh wallet that we just created. If you imagine that there's a long list of coins here, you will be able to sort them by name, and you'll be able to search the individual coins very similarly as you were able to in the previous page. So by name, by by ticker as well, and you'll be able to hide the empty balances to keep it tidy if you want to. Of course, you'll be able to blur out the balances if you will want to show the wallet to someone, or you will not want people to see how many Lambos you can afford.
Yeah.
And let us jump right in to the coin context. So this is the coin overview page where you can see how many coins you have, and you'll be able to take a look at the individual transactions, either received or sent. And I'll show you what that looks like when we actually do have some coins and we do have some transactions that we did on another wallet. But right now, what you can see here is your account name, your wallet address, your balance. You can see there's been some market movement in the past 24 hours, and you'll be able to send the coins and receive them. So receive is enabled right now. So what you can do is you can create a QR code for your address or for your account. You can copy it to the clipboard, of course. And what you can do is you can pick which account you want to display, which is something that we haven't done before. But if you click this icon, what you can do here is you can rename the account. You can also add a new account. So this is my second account. So let's rename it to
Lambo.
And you can very easily switch between the accounts. And as you can see, the address changes as well. And what you can also do, you can export your private keys. Of course, there's a warning, do not disclose your private keys, but for my account, here's the address, here's the private key. I can either copy it to my clipboard, or if you're pretty sure that nobody's watching, you can actually take a look at it and you can copy it as well.
If you are watching, it's pointless trying on that private key. it's not going to have a balance. Don't even try it.
Yeah, don't or do, but expect to wait quite a long time before any coins show up in this wallet. So this is the feature set of the of the basic wallet. And what we have in Talon Wallet as well, and I'm gonna jump into the settings for a bit, is what you can do here is you can select your national currency. You'll be able to select the preferred language, because we plan to localize Talon Wallet into all major languages. You can pick your theme. Currently, my system default is dark, so that's the theme that Talon Wallet has defaulted to. You can also pick a light theme.
My eyes.
Your eyes. Yeah, same here. I prefer the dark theme, but even the light theme is really nice. But let's go back. Yeah, much better.
Yes.
What you can do here as well is you can set the default lock time for your wallet. It's initially set to 10 minutes, so after 10 minutes of inactivity, the wallet will lock, and you will need to enter your password to get back into Talon. What you can also do here is, so what you can do is you can change the default, or you can set it to never, which I wouldn't recommend, but your coins. What we have in advanced is something that I'd like to spend some time on. You can set Talon Wallet to the advanced wallet mode. And what that does is, instead of having one address per account, which is something that you might be used to from wallets like MetaMask or Exodus or some other ones, some similar ones, for people that want more control and are used to working with external and changed addresses, this is the mode for them. Here I have my account for Lambo, or let's switch to the main wallet account. And you can see there's a distinct external and a change address. And I have individual addresses here, which I can rename, of course, and I can add as many as I want. So you can have a hierarchy of several accounts and multiple addresses in each account. It might be useful for some people that want a bigger level of control. And of course, ultimately, you will be able to pick the inputs for your transaction and work in a similar fashion as in the core wallet. But for people that want to keep things simple, I think they will opt for the basic wallet. What about you, Paul?
I think I'm going to be using the basic wallet, definitely. Obviously, I've been using the core wallet for so long, and for most people, it can be a difficult experience. So I'm going to keep it simple with the Talon wallet, and yeah, it's just something that's a breath of fresh air to me, and something that I thought was very much needed in UTXO. If UTXO is ever to compete with the wallet models that people are used to in their browsers. I know that you said you were going to use another wallet for a balance, but I really don't mind sending some RTM coins over if you want to demonstrate some things. If you just send me the address in the chat, Mancini.
I'm always for getting more Raptorium. So let me just get you my address.
Okay.
Boom. So I just send that over.
Okay, one thing to note, guys, is Talon is fast. Talon is fast. So I'm going to send 1,000 RTM to Mancini right now. I'm just putting my wallet password in on the core wallet. And we are ready to send, so I'm going to click send. Now Mancini, click refresh.
It's here.
Boom! Your RTM is there.
Thanks, mate.
And it's not just there, it's spendable.
Yep. Because Raptorium has just enabled instant send, which makes the magic happen. And as you can see, Talon is really fast. I mean, we're really thrilled with how we've designed our backend services for Talon, so we don't have to connect to individual nodes and wait for their response. We have our own backend that connects to the network and that delivers data to Talon Wallet very, very quickly.
I mean, that is faster than Solana and Ethereum. I mean, it's quick.
It's definitely faster than Solana today because Solana crashed and didn't. But otherwise, Solana might be a little faster than that. But it's really fast. I mean, for all practical reasons, you don't need faster in a world like Talon. You might have noticed that I had to click the refresh button. The refresh button is gonna go away in a future version because what we will implement is messaging and basically as soon as you get a transaction, you will be notified and the data stream will refresh automatically. So this was just for the current version, but this button is going away.
One thing I want to mention as well is for those people that were second guessing UTXO, namely Raptorium, wouldn't be very good in a DeFi environment. You know, the speed right there that we've just shown you, especially with InstaSend on the network, proves otherwise. You can really get stuff done very quickly, and without waiting around without any time at all. So
yeah. I mean, this speed is more than sufficient for any point of sale implementation.
Exactly. I mean, it's got to be faster than Visa, that is, hasn't it? Surely. Surely. I mean, Visa takes what, 3 or 4 seconds?
I don't know. Could be.
All right. Anyway, carry on.
Okay, so what you can see once we have coins in our wallet, we have extra buttons available to us that were disabled before. We have send now and send later. So send now is a regular transaction. Right now the dialogue is pretty simple. We will be adding more features where you will be able to select the fee, which is not as important for networks that aren't as congested, but for once we add something like Bitcoin, it'll be really important to be able to set your fee level, and based on that, your transaction will leave your wallet either immediately or in a day, which is how Bitcoin works. Yay. So
you've got the QR code in the target address area.
Yeah,
that is something I'm excited about. So explain that.
Well, if you click the QR code icon, your camera will basically connect to Talon Wallet, and you will be able to scan a QR code of someone else's address, so that you can very easily add that in.
So
now, I don't.
So transacting between people who've got Talon Wallet is super easy.
Yep.
Super easy. App to app, no problem. And it will also read other QR codes as well, right, Mancini?
Exactly. You can read QR codes from the core wallet as well. So what you can do here, as one might expect, you can write down how many coins you want to send to a certain address. It has to be valid, of course. Or you can just click max, and you will add the maximum amount, which is...
I'll tell you what, Mancini, I'll send you an address.
Okay.
I'll send you an address so you can show people the actual send screen.
Yeah, sure. Send me an address.
Okay. You can keep 90% of it if you like.
Sure.
All right. So there's an address back to an
Well,
RTM
that's
wallet.
pretty high.
Oh,
No,
that's very fair. 500 RTM. Yeah, okay.
okay, so I'm sending from to 500. Here's the fee. 500 is total. Password. Confirm. Boom. Send.
And I've got it straight away at the core wallet.
Perfect. So that's sending, receiving, and what we're currently working on as well is send later, which is your Raptorium futures transaction. So what you can do, you can either set a time and date when when those coins should be spendable, or the block number that you will add here. And there's a little warning that currently the futures transaction costs an extra 100 RTM. So that's a futures transaction already implemented into Talon Wallet. So
You need to click refresh.
yes, I do.
There you go.
Ah, damn. Where's my 500? Again, this is something that will work automatically, and as soon as we do some more development. So the refresh button is going to go away, and everything is going to work in the background. So I think that I've shown you what I wanted to show you at this point, and maybe I'm going to show you how the import works. So let me just quickly
good idea. Yeah.
lock the wallet. I'm gonna wipe it in my other window, so that has been deleted.
So have you just burnt 500 RTM?
Well, yes and no. I still have the mnemonic.
All right. Okay.
But let me take a different one. Okay, I do agree to the terms of use. I want to import. I want to paste the mnemonic here with just one paste command. No need to add 12 words individually if you have them as a text string. Again, you have to set your password. And right now, what's going to happen is the wallet is going to communicate to Erie, our backend service, and it's going to scan literally hundreds of addresses in the HD address hierarchy, and it's going to look for balances and transactions, and based on how many addresses and accounts you've created on that wallet in the past, it's going to recreate those addresses. Yeah, so bear with me. We're going to need to talk to the server and check something like 200 addresses right now. Of course, we want to have both coins as well. So it's probably going to be 400 addresses. So we're checking that. Okay, our wallet has been imported. And what we have right now, we seem to have a balance in osmium. So we have like a dollar something of osmi. So we have managed to successfully import our wallet. And I guess there's just one last thing that I haven't shown you yet, which is the activity tab. And here you can see the list of transactions that we've done. So it's really clean and simple. You can filter by received or sent. Of course, you can sort the list by date, transaction ID, status, amount, whatever makes sense to you. And you can, of course, take a look at the transaction details, so you can see the detail of that transaction. I sent that a few days ago. It already has over 3K confirmations, and that is updated all the time. So if I take a look tomorrow, it'll have way more confirmations. So maybe just one more thing. These links lead to the Explorer, so you can take a look at the recipient address and the transaction ID, or you can copy them to your clipboard if you need to. So nice and simple. And this is the activity list.
Excellent.
And I think I've shown everything right now.
Excellent. Okay, so let's close this screen and we'll talk a little bit more on the future of Talon Wallet and where we're heading. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching where we are with Talon right now. As you can see, it is pretty epic. It looks really nice and it's working faster than most blockchains and wallets out there right now. It's time to talk about the future of Talon Wallet and where we're heading with it. So we're going to give you a bit of an insight on what we're going to be adding to it coming up and where you should what you should expect to see in the next couple of months, and when you might be able to start using the Talon Wallet yourself. So I'm going to pass this over to Mancini, who's going to talk about that, and then once we are done with that part, we're going to share our Talon screens. So Mancini's going to have the Talon Wallet open on his computer with his Osmium, and I'm going to have Talon Wallet open on my computer with Raptorium. We're going to share it right here, and we are going to select 20 random addresses from the X post that we put out a couple of days back, and we're going to send some transactions right from Talon Wallet live in front of you all. I'm actually going to send some RTM to my Talon Wallet. I think Mancini's already got some Osmium on his. Just to show you the speed of the Talon Wallet and the finality of it all in seconds, ready to send to you all. So Mancini, take it away.
So thanks, mate. I hope you've enjoyed this this preview, this demo of where we currently are with the development process. Of course, a bunch of stuff is still missing from Talon Wallet, and if I start talking about the stuff that we want to add, we definitely want to add more coins and more chains, which is something that I've mentioned during the demo. We definitely want to add chains like EVM, Solana, some other ones, of course, to be able to support as many coins as possible. Of course, we're going to add them gradually. We're not planning to add 1,000 coins from day one, but this is one thing that we're definitely planning to do. The multi-coin functionality is already built in to Talon Wallet, so we already have the data model prepared to support this. Of course, we're going to have to implement the various chain paradigms into the code, but Talon Wallet is already a multi-coin wallet on the inside, so that's one thing. The other thing that we've already mentioned, and I just want to reiterate, is swaps. We are going to support several swap providers, and we're going to be able to swap one coin for another, of course, depending on which coins the swap providers support. And you will be able to instantly exchange one coin for a different coin directly in Talon Wallet without having to go to a third party or well, you're going to use a third party, but without leaving Talon Wallet, without leaving the environment. We definitely want to add staking for the coins that support staking, so you'll be able to earn passive income from some of the most notorious coins for for staking, but we also are thinking about how to use UTXO projects that have master nodes or smart nodes in a smart way, which could potentially work in a very similar way to very simple coin staking. And we're currently exploring our options, and we will inform you at a later time where we're headed with that idea. So that's something to look forward to as well. We have to include stuff that other similar wallets are currently supporting, like DeFi integration. So you would be able to interact with marketplaces and other third-party applications that can work in your browser. So you will be able to authenticate and authorize transactions from Talon. So that's another area that we need to add to the code base. And last but not least, we definitely want to add tokens or assets, depending on what they're called in their respective chains. So this is another block of features that will be included in Talon Wallet feature set. Have I forgotten something, Paul?
You need to give people an expectation of when they can see the private testing, which we've got coming up.
Yeah, I haven't talked about the roadmap, but in terms of functionality that we're planning, I think we've probably covered all the bases. So let's talk about time. What we currently have planned is a private beta that we had set for either end of January or start of February next year, so just a few months down the road. And we still want to expand on the functionality that you have seen in the demo. We are going to go through a prioritization session with the team very, very soon, so that we will be able to discuss what we would like to add by that time, or also what is possible and practical to add by that time. And once that happens, we will select several users from either the Raptorium or the Osmium communities that will get access to Talon Wallet, and they will help us with their feedback, with potential bugs they might find, and with telling us how they feel about the product, and that will help us to prioritize the next step. We currently do not have a set date for the first release. We definitely want to release the first version next year, and we will know when that date will happen after we get the feedback from the private beta. So as soon as we get the data in, which should be during February next year, we will then do a prioritization session again, and I'm pretty confident that we will be able to disclose a expected release date very early next year. So we'll see how many features we will want to fit into Talon Wallet, and depending on that, it'll be either earlier or later next year. So that's all I can currently tell you about our timeline or release plan. Of course, like getting to the final state of what I talked about a few minutes ago will take a long time. I'm it's not going to be 1 or 2 months. I mean, some of the wallets out there, some of the top wallets out there have been in development for years, literally, and it's definitely going to take us a few years to get to where we currently want to get to. But we feel that we can get Talon Wallet out there and share it with the users as soon as we're confident that we can offer a good experience and solid performance across the board. So that's what I wanted to say related to the release date. What else do we want to talk about, Paul?
I think that's about it. If you would like to be one of the first private testers, if you could send a message to Talon Wallet on X, so send a direct message and tell us why you should be one of the first private testers. And we are scrutinizing everyone to make sure that we've got the best team that can deliver us the feedback that we need to bring an excellent product to the community. As Mancini have said, for a full feature set and release, it's gonna take a long time, but to get the basics out there and to have a good experience for you all, it's going to be sometime after the private testing. But once we know what we need to fix at that point, if anything, then we will know a firm release date for the first version. So we are really excited about Talon Wallet. We've put so much work into it. Apologies. And we are honored to have so many people watching us right now to show you this wallet. So I think it's time right now that me and Mancini share our screens of our Talon wallets, and we will start sending some coins to the people that have sent the addresses in the chat. So I'm going to flick to another screen here, and I'm going to share my screen. If I can find... Well, there's my one.
I'm already sharing.
You're already sharing, are you? There we go. I'm going to bring this over to here and full screen that. There we go. Can't you full screen yours, Mancini, or is that the best you can do?
It is full screen.
Oh, I can see your browser still. It doesn't matter anyway. Okay, so let's log into our wallet.
That's what full screen looks like.
Oh, you on a Mac?
Yeah.
You're on a Mac, yeah. Okay. Currently got one RTM in my Talon wallet right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to the core wallet, and I'm going to send some Raptorium to the Talon wallet.
Yeah. What I'm going to do in the meantime is, if you can see my other wallet, I'll be importing the wallet from a mnemonic, so you can see that one more time in real time. Oh, you already have your coins there. That's a lot of Raptorium.
Instantly. Okay, so let me go to the X, and we'll also start grabbing some addresses.
Okay, so I'm importing, creating a password. I'll add both coins, importing.
All right, okay, so the first lucky person that's going to get some Raptorium coins as one of the first transactions from the Talon wallet is AAM. Congrats, bro. You've got some Raptorium on the way. I'm just going to sort that. So 10,000 for you.
10,000. Yeah, I'm cheap. I'm sending 5 only. So my first 5 OSMI is going to Danny, who was I think the first person that had reacted to the tweet. So let me just send that out quickly. Boom, Danny, you should have your coins on the way.
Next person is Pepe. Pepe's been a great guy supporting us for a very long time now. So I'm going to send Pepe 10,000 RTM. There you go, Pepe. Thank you very much.
Yeah, the next user that gets 5 OSMI is X-Ray 005. So again, sending that over. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking our posts. So that's another 5 off me. Gone.
Next person I've got is Crypto Smith. That is Jesse Lambert from Bit Knives. He does streams with us on a Sunday usually after the Raptorian weekly stream. So well deserved. There you go, Crypto Smith.
Okay, another one that I have is the KJ Concept. So thank you for your support. Here's 5 OSMI.
Next one is Hunter Schultz, also known as HNS. There you go, brother. Thank you very much.
Okay, I have Albrecht Martus. So 5 coins to you, mate. Thank you so much. Ah, messed up my password. Better.
Next one I have is Sam, who is also known as L Peanut Gallery. There you go, brother. 10,000 RTM your way. Thank you.
Okay, Daniel O'Reilly. Well, next up, thanks for your support. Enjoy.
Next we have the almighty Fudweiser. There you
Next
go,
up.
Fudweiser. Well deserved, Fud.
Yeah, the next up is Igor Carrasco. So that's 5 coins for you, mate.
Next we've got Balinox. There you go, Balinox. Thank you very much for your support. There is 10,000 coins for you.
Okay, the next one I have is Timothy Mason. So Timothy, this is 5 OSMI for you. Thank you so much for liking our posts. And here's 5 OSMI.
Next we've got Villy Games TV. There you go, brother. Enjoy.
Okay, I have Jack. So that's 5 OSMI for you, mate.
Okay, next we have Fosgen.
Fossy, huh?
Yeah. There you go, Fosgen. Oh. Enjoy.
Okay, next up I have Jan or Jan Alton. So that's 5 OSMI for you. Thank you so much for your support.
Next I have here is Aluminer or Alucard. There you go, brother. 10,000 for you.
Next step for me is Green Miner, a guy that I've known for a long time that has supported me over the years and has been mining on my pool for as long as I can remember. Love to you, mate. Thanks for the support. So that's
now we're at the halfway point. I'm gonna start at the bottom of the list right now. So this goes out to Sam S, which I've got a funny feeling that is Toy. There you go, Toy. Thank you very much.
so next up for me is, we've heard this name before, Budweiser.
Next I have is AOV 000. Well done, brother. You got some RTM? Enjoy.
And right now I have Pepe.
Pepe's doing well tonight.
Yeah, he's doing well. He got some RTM. So Pepe, here's some Osmi to keep you company. Don't spend it all at once.
Next I have is Stephen Breach. Well done, brother. There you go. There's 10,000.
Next up for me is Blackbird. Thank you, mate.
Blackbird, awesome guy. Okay, next for me is Kaya Smoked. Oh, wrong password. There we go. There you go, Kaya. Thank you very much.
For me, next up is Aldergate. You rock, mate. Thanks a lot for all your support.
Next for me is Paymans or Pamans, who's got the handle Einar Boys or something like that. There you go, brother. RTM for you.
Next up for me is Staffis M. So let me bring up the dialogue. 5 off me for you. Thank you so much.
Next for me is Hippie. There you go, brother. 10,000.
Next up is Gurn Cranium. So 5 off me for you. Thank you, mate. Thank you very much.
Next for me is Nenes Benjamin or Benjamin Nenes. There you go, brother.
Okay. Next wallet for that gets 5 OSMI is Goalie 2002. Hey, mate. How's it rolling? 5 coins for you.
Next for me is Cebix. Well done, brother. You got yourself 10,000 Raptorium coins.
For me, the next ID is ID.crypto, who wishes us all the best. And these are coins that should probably help him top up his node on iNodes. So good luck with that. We love iNodes.
Next for me is Crypto Siastic, who apparently only wants BTC, but looks like he's got some RTM now.
Okay, the next step for me is keine Ahnung. So 5 Osmi for you. Keine Ahnung.
Okay, so this is the last one now. I've got a bunch more on the screen, which obviously are not going to get them. So I'm just going to pick one at random. Best way to do it, probably close my eyes and point. Okay, we have Shim Slady, who's going to get 10,000 RTM. So I'll just do that now. And there you go. Oh, wrong again. There we go. Sent. And that is my wallet completely cleared out.
Oh, the next one for me, I'm not going to close my eyes. I started going from the first ones that have reacted, and I basically am going to finish with Luctor or Luctor, however you like to pronounce it. And you're not getting 5 coins, you're actually getting 4.998 because I had to spend a few coins for transaction fees. Sorry, mate, but still getting the rest of the coins that I have in my wallet right now. And my wallet is down to 0.
Okay.
Nothing left for me to share.
All right, get that closed down now then, Mancini.
Okay, so I'm closing the window.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for tuning in to the first Talon Wallet demonstration, as promised, on YouTube, brought to you from myself and Mancini from Talon Core. If you're not already following Talon Wallet at X, please do that. That is at Talon Wallet. You can also follow at was it Osmium Chain?
Osmium Chain.
Osmium Chain on X as well, and also at Raptorium, and you'll be kept up to date with any more updates on Talon Wallet, what we're doing, how you can get involved, maybe anything like that, really. We're really excited for Talon Wallet, as you know, and we hope you are too. It's a total new paradigm in UTXO DeFi, and we think it's game-changing, and we can't wait to bring you the final product very, very soon. Anything else you want to add, Mancini?
Well, I'd like to thank everyone for watching the stream. Most definitely, I'm really thrilled to have seen such a massive turnout. There's been over 500 people watching us, so that's really cool.
Pretty epic.
It's really brilliant. We couldn't have wished for a better premiere, I think. We hope you liked the video. We hope you liked the demo. I think that you believe that the wallet actually exists, that it's not just a make-believe thing in Photoshop. We've actually sent out transactions to dozens of people. We've shown you what Talon Wallet can do right now. And if I can ask you to do something, probably you can join the Osmium project in any way you see fit, because Osmium project is funding and developing Talon Wallet right now. So if you want to see Talon Wallet finished as soon as possible, you can help the development by supporting Osmium by purchasing coins, creating masternodes, getting passive income, and helping Talon to get funded, which happens through the chain. So thanks again for watching. I think we've said everything that we wanted to say, right?
I think we have.
Yeah. Pretty much. It's been a long stream. thanks to everyone for watching to the very end. I've had a fabulous time. This has been a long time coming. So
one thing I will add is, if you do have any questions for us about Talon Wallet, please send them into the comments section below, Not necessarily on this live stream because those comments will disappear, but after the live stream finishes, turns into a normal video, and you can leave whatever comments you want there. If you've got any integration questions, or if you've got anything that you think we should add to Talon Wallet or anything like that, you're more than welcome to send them in the comments below. You can also do the same in the Osmium Discord as well. And also recently we developed a Raptorium ecosystem growth Discord, and that has a Talon Wallet section on that too. Bearing in mind you need to be a developer or someone that's going to further the UTXO DeFi ecosystem with us to get an invite to that server. So please do that. Again, thank you very much for your support, and I think we're just going to close this up right now. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, have a good one, mate.
Bye bye.
Yeah.